Hi everybody, it's Maureen of Maureen 97 Designs, and today I have another Fat Quarter Shop box unboxing, and this one is the 2020 limited edition Jolly Box. And I have cut the tape, but I haven't actually opened this yet, so this is my actual, for real, first impressions of everything in the box. So here we go. Oh, that's so cute. I love this little deer. Okay, so that's the card that comes with it. What is this? It looks like a notepad, I think. Oh, it's got a magnet. Oh, okay. Oh, that's a nice little notepad with a magnetic closure. That's cute. Two spools of Aurifil thread. It looks like a white and a gray or silver. This is so cute. Oh dear, socks. I didn't know they made socks in this collection. That's so cute. And what is this? It's an oh my goodness! It's an infinity scarf. Oh, that's so funny. You know, I live in Hawaii, so we don't really have a use for scarves like this, but I actually kind of wanted one just because I love minky fabric, and I just saw a scarf thing, and oh, this is so funny. What a coincidence. I totally wanted to get one of these. And then this is the what is it called? Dear Christmas. I guess this is our, oh, it must be a big panel. Oh yeah, look at that. It's a big panel, and then I guess that you put the charm squares around it. That's actually really cute. I like that. I've actually been kind of getting into panels lately, trying to see what I can do with them, and so this is like totally right up my alley. Well, I just love everything in here. I know a lot of people weren't exactly that happy about it, but I'm very happy, let me tell you. So yeah, let me see if I missed anything. I'm just gonna go through the little included booklet here and look at everything that's included. Oh, the infinity scarf is actually a kit, so I can make it. And then the Aurifil threads are white and gray. And then we have a coupon on the back. So that's all for now. If I have any tips or tricks while I'm working the project up, or if I'm working on the infinity scarf and have any suggestions for you, I'll come back and update this video. Everybody, it's me again. Okay, I do have a couple of tips to share with you. I did the infinity scarf project, and a couple of things that helped were tips that I actually learned from other places. And the first was the cuddle fabric came cut already, but it was still shedding the little bits of like faux fur. So one thing I heard was to put it in the dryer for a little while, and that can kind of help shake loose all the loose fibers, and then when you get it out, it's a lot easier to deal with and you don't have fluff going all over the place. So that was one thing that helped. And then the other was I used my special AccuFeed walking foot on my machine when I was sewing this together. I did pin a lot, you know, like every couple of inches, and then I used my walking foot, so the sewing actually went together really, really easily. I didn't have any problems with it shifting. I just sewed pretty slowly, used my walking foot, and kept a close eye on it, and it came out perfect. So here's my finished scarf, and you can see it does have the sort of twist in it. So it's really cute and it's nice and warm, so I really like it. Okay, and then my other tip for the quilt so far, I've decided to use the panel as instructed by the pattern, and so I'm going to be fussy cutting out the deer. excuse me, and it actually instructs you to cut out an 18.5 by 27.5 inch panel, and that might be a little bit difficult, but I remembered I have this thing called the Karen K. Buckley's Perfect Adjustable Square Set, and what it is, it's these little pieces that snap together and apart, and you can make a lot of different size squares. It's actually meant to make squares, but I could make a rectangle, and I actually had enough pieces in the base set to make an 18.5 by 27.5 inch rectangle. So I can perfectly center my deer with this ruler, and you can see it, it's right here. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see because it's mostly clear, but I can perfectly center my deer and then cut right around it. It's meant to be cut against, just like any other ruler. And so I can fussy cut my deer perfectly and not have to worry about it being off center or anything like that, because I can judge by the different lines on the rulers and how much space there is between the design and the edge of the rulers, so I can make it perfectly square. So if you're interested in a short little demo and maybe review of the Karen K. Buckley Perfect Adjustable Square, please let me know in the comments, and then I can do a little video on that for you. But yeah, this is my little tip. It's very easy to make a perfect rectangle with your deer fussy cut perfectly in the center, and you can also do a ton more with this ruler set. So a really good thing, if you happen to have it and you never know what to use it for, this is a great project to use it. So I haven't decided what exactly I'm going to do with my project. I'm probably not going to make it exactly according to the pattern, but we will see, because I would need to order more fabric probably to make it bigger, but we'll see. So if you're interested in that, keep an eye out. I may do an upcoming video, or probably, not may, I probably will do a follow-up video and show you exactly what I did with my deer quilt. So thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, see you later.